Good evening, all. Uh, Today I'm going to show you on how to use Cubase 10 Pro. Okay, let's say now we created a folder. Let us write a name to the folder, whatever may be the name. You can write it. If you write it, then you save it. Okay, let me just save it like this. Let me just write anything. Okay. Please consider subscribing, liking, and share for the video if you are first time here. Thank you so much. Okay, now this is a beat. It's a beat. I already have a beat inside this folder, and now transfer it to this folder. And I want to show us now how to check the tempo using virtual DJ tempo and the key of the beat we want to use to record a song inside our Cubase. I'm sorry for the tutorial in English because some of the people I normally upload videos to, they are Hausa, so a lot of people that don't understand Hausa, they are complaining, or they want me to be doing it in English so that they too they can benefit from what I'm saying. Okay, listen now. We open a virtual DJ. So let us wait for it to open. So sometimes some apps are taking longer before they open. So it will now open. Okay. This is virtual DJ. Press OK. OK here. Then let us now locate the folder where our beat is already in. Let me check. Let me check it. Yes, our beat is already here. Okay, if we play it now, I'm sorry, I voice over the video. That is why you can't hear the sound of the beat. I'm sorry for that. Alright, now the beat is playing. Okay, so we now saw the beat tempo and the key. Let us now go straight forward and open our Cubase so that we see how we can use Cubase and everything. So this is step number 1, which is to check your tempo. Don't forget, if you open your virtual DJ, you see the tempo and the then you come back to the Cubase now. Then this is where you are going to put it. I will show you where to put the tempo and the key of any beat in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy it, please kindly share, like, and subscribe to my channel. You won't be regret for subscribing to this channel because there are a lot of things, videos, tutorials like this type. So my Cubase is taking longer to open is because I have a lot of large files on my systems. Apart from that, you can see how my desktop is fully with some apps and folders. so it might bring all those delaying. So I'm sorry for that. I will make it better in the next video. Alright, my Cubase is opening. Okay, now I have to I have to choose my sound card. Then okay. Oh, why? Um, I don't want to open a new. I want to open a new project. I don't want to use old project, so that everybody can understand it very well and clearly. Okay, let me use the folder that I put my beat in as a as my project folder. Then mm, let me just use select folder. So I now selected the folder. Then what should I do now? That my tempo that I saw from the virtual DJ. So I'm going to write it down here. You let me show you how to do it. Please, no verse. Don't worry, please. Help us subscribe to this channel, share the video, like it, comment. Even God will reward you, because this is what we do, and we have hope you guys are understanding and enjoying these videos. So please support and donate us. Thank you. We really appreciate you for your effort to help us to making this channel grow faster. Thank you for the likes and the subscribes. Okay, now as you can see, now this is the beat. Okay, I want to use. Let me say okay. Okay. All right. Okay, now second thing is for me to change the tempo of the beat to my to the original tempo we detected using virtual DJ. Okay, for you to just edit, just double click on this, then you can edit it. You can put your tempo. Okay, this is my tempo, and I put it, and so now I'm playing the beat. So now let me use right click and create a channel track for my which will be my recording track. Okay, mono, configuration mono, and still let it be stereo out and mono in. All right, so now let me check the let me arm it. This track I arm it. If I arm it like this now, if I start recording, it will record. If I did not arm it, it will not record. So all right, one thing about Cubase, you see, you can zoom in and zoom out, and you can control the gain. You can stage your gain using a simple way. Let me just say, for the next video I will show you on how to record a song, complete song, using a Cubase 10 Pro, and put some effects to show you how to mix and export your track successfully. Thank you guys for being with me at all the time. Dr. Robson, anyway, I really appreciate you guys Thank you. Thank you. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.